Hi guys. So why are these pilots important? So these pilots, guys, is very important because Canada faces a growing demand for professional caregivers, and then kaya that is why they're very particular with the requirements with the language, requirements with the education, requirements sa experience, and also yung security ng caregiver na darating dito na meron talaga siyang full-time job offer. Hindi yung pagdating nila dito, yung alam mo yon na ma-recruit ka ng hindi legit pagdating mo, wala kang trabaho. So that is why, it's because also ang Canada faces growing population, the aging population. So muna siya nga ma-address ang needs sa community sector dito, community sector ng Canada. So muna sila nga they're opening a new program this year. Okay, actually daghan yo diri na ang uban hapit na ma-out of status, ganun. Kasi 'di ba before they're accepting applicants na ang tawag nito high school graduate. And then what happens, so nag-renew lang, but ang requirements na ngayon for permanent residency is kailangan naman ng education. So yung iba nahihirapan kumuha ng job offer. It's because of the requirement. It's because of the requirements na ang level ng edukasyon mo dapat ganito, ganyan. So also ang home care worker pilot, immigration pilot na bubuksan March 20 this year is nag-offer po na siya og kanang reliable, di ba? Reliable pathway to PR. So secure ang caregiver na darating dito na PR siya, may trabaho siya, and also the reunification of family of the applicant. So hindi kay siya iba yung mga naunang program is mahirap kunin ang family. But as of this pilot, madali lang siya kasi meron talaga simplified and hayag PR on arrival ang applicant. So also kanang ang skilled worker po, siyempre 'di ba mga skilled worker man sila. Kami mga tayo papasok dito. Magiging contribution po sa economy sa Canada kasi it's because kung papasok ka dito, meron kang babayaran na fees sa government. So, yung permanent resident fees. So, mayroong bayad yan. Yung biometric, yung merong tinatawag ka kasing when you apply diri sa Canada, meron kang babayaran na government fees. So, yun. So, makakontribute tayo sa government ng Canada. So legit ang pasok mo. So yung pagpunta mo dito, hindi ka matatakot, hindi ka mangangapa, at hindi ka alam mo yung ma-stress ka pagdating mo dito na wala kang trabaho or anything na ikakapahamak mo at saka yung pamilya mo kasi yun government kasi ang transaction na mangyayari. So yun po. Congratulations in advance sa mga upcoming applicants na mag-a-apply this year. So, yun po.